how to set the camera default lens to 24, 28, or 35 millimeter on the iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max. First, let's go back to the home screen. Then tap on settings. In settings, go down and tap on camera. And then we scroll down. From here, scroll down and tap on Fusion Camera. In the default lens section, you can choose 24 millimeter or 28 or 35. So select one of the available options. And finally, you can go back to the home screen. And here we got 1x. If I go to camera and select 1.5x, then my default will go to 1.5x when I go to photo. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.